This video is going to show you how to work on different applications in full screen mode. So I'm going to pull up my Safari web browser, and when I do that, I'm going to quickly show you these buttons on the left. This green button will make a window larger, but as you're going to see in just a minute, it doesn't actually put it into full screen mode. If you actually wanted to make a window smaller, there's not really a button for that, but you can take your mouse into the corner of the page and you can click and drag to your desired size. So that's how you would resize a page. You could also minimize the window, and then it will be located in your dock. And when you pull it back up, it looks like this, and then this red button will close the page. So it'll take it away completely. Now I'm going to pull up a new window and show you what full screen mode looks like. So say I was at this website looking for an article that I wanted to present to my class. And Safari has the really cool reader button where if you find an article, you can hit the reader button and it takes away all of the distractions. Well, say I wanted to present this to my class, so I'm going to put it into full screen mode. Now this icon right here, if you see this in an application, then it has the ability to go into full screen mode. And you can see right now that full screen mode means that it takes up the whole screen without any extra distraction. So the menu on top has disappeared, but if I mouse over it, then you can have access to it. And you can select anything that you need. And the dock has also disappeared, but if I mouse over the dock, then I can pull up any application or anything that may be running down here. So now I'm working on, I have this article up for my students in one page, but say I want to have something else up for them as well. I can take 4 fingers and swipe by pulling over to my right hand side to get to my original desktop. And this is one way that I can open up something new. So say I wanted to pull up a map in Google Chrome. I can go to Google Chrome and go to a map and say I was doing a lesson and I wanted to show them something. Well, if I put this into full screen mode, now it has its own page. So I can swipe left and right to get back to my desktop, back to this map, and I can swipe again to get to the article. Now, you may have noticed this icon in the bottom that says Mission Control. I'm going to click on that and show you what happens. When I click on Mission Control, it shows me all of the different desktops that I'm working on. And so I can go to my Mission Control and easily have access to just my desktop. I'm going to go to Mission Control and then click on Safari. So instead of swiping your fingers in between pages, Mission Control will easily let you go between all of them. The shortcut for Mission Control is if you take your 4 fingers and push up on your screen, then you'll get into Mission Control automatically. And then also, I know my computer is set so that if I swipe my arrow into the left-hand corner, it also goes to Mission Control. So there's a whole bunch of different settings that you can use for that. Let me show you how you can get another desktop up and running so that you have an extra space to work in. If you take your mouse and move it over to the upper right-hand corner side, you'll see this plus button. When I click on it, it just made a new desktop. So I can go to this new desktop and I can open another project that I might be working on. So say I want to work on a project in GarageBand. I can be working in GarageBand on this side while these other pages are still open. My article, my map, and then my clear desktop. So full screen mode lets you work in different applications at the same time without the distraction of many windows overlapping one page. So this might actually be good for your workflow if you don't like things really cluttered. And it will be great for your classroom if you need access to different things really quickly. Now before I go, I want to show you how to get out of full screen mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my mouse to the top of the screen where this menu appears again, and I'm going to click on this icon, and it will take me out of full screen mode. And you can see by me going to mission control that the window that it was in disappeared, and now the window is located on my desktop. I'm going to do the same thing with Google Chrome. So I'm going to go mouse up to the top, click on the icon, and then you can see that it appeared on my original desktop. So that's how you would get yourself out of full screen mode. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.